Hi guys, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. BBNaija Pepper Dem reunion, Avala and Isilomo fight over a man on live TV. The fight was between Sadiat Balogun aka Avala and Isilomo Brahmo, simply known as Isilomo. A man came in between the friendship they established in June 2019, although like we said earlier, we don't know what really happened. During the BBNaija Pepper Dem reunion show, Confrontations and Fights, the host Ebuka Obi-Uchendu asked Avala what happened between her and Isilomo outside BBNaija house, which he knew was made public around December 2019. Avala stated that she and Isilomo were very cool friends, but she allowed herself to be used by a man, Avala's supposedly boyfriend, to create an enmity between both of them. Like we heard from Avala, she started having problems with a guy who Isilomo knew through her, but instead of Isilomo being in support of her, she went ahead to stand with the guy, making Avala to be the bad one and probably make the man choose her over Avala. Well, Avala clearly noted that she didn't like Isilomo's attitude, which made her terminate every intimacy they had. And going further, Avala said she had wanted Isilomo to apologize for her actions. Now, Isilomo comes in and told Ebuka that it's true she had a misunderstanding with her friend, Avala, but demanding for apology is what she couldn't get to her head, going by the fact that she found no offense in what she has done. At this point, we may tell you that even Ebuka, who knew this topic wasn't related to Big Brother Naija, may never get to the point of knowing what had really transpired between the two ladies, despite Isilomo noting that a fracas with Avala is never a thing that Avala should have come on national TV to tell the whole world. Matter of fact, she doesn't have to make any more input if asked about it. Case closed. Okay, there you have it, guys. We don't know what happened between them, but all we know is they're fighting and they brought it to national TV, and we know what caused their fight is a man. So guys, if this is your first time of watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.